Next, we're in the Ann Arbor, Michigan virtual courtroom of Judge Cedric Simpson for a probable cause hearing. 33-year-old Michael Haywood has been charged with 2 counts of carrying a concealed weapon, 2 counts of possession of a firearm by a felon, and fleeing a police officer. A month earlier, Haywood, who has a history of felony assault and weapons convictions, was allegedly caught with a firearm and arrested. He pled not guilty at his arraignment the next day. If convicted, Haywood's looking at a possible 25 years in prison.
Workhouse case of the people versus Michael Haywood.
Haywood's bond was set at $250,000, which he has not been able to post. So today, he appears from the Washtenaw County Jail. The case was scheduled for a probable cause hearing, but Haywood's attorney, Erica Julian, has a problem.
Good morning, Your Honor. I filed a motion to withdraw due to a direct conflict of interest regarding a witness or potential witness in this case that I identified after meeting with Mr. Haywood. As a result, I am unable to continue to represent Mr. Haywood. I would ask the court to permit me to withdraw.
Okay, I noticed in the motion that I don't have the witness identified or the person identified.
Your Honor, if I identify the conflict who is not listed in the police report, he could be charged with crimes, and I previously represented him. So I'm unable to provide additional information, which would result in discovery to the prosecutor.
Haywood's attorney finds herself in a bit of a legal pickle. She's aware of a witness in this case that the police have not identified yet. Trouble is, the person's a former client of hers, so identifying and thus potentially incriminating them would be a conflict of interest. But unless she does identify the potential witness, the judge may not be able to make a ruling.
I mean, I can't do it this way, Miss Julian. I mean, I have to have some indication as to what the conflict is.
She just told your stupid ass.
Haywood jumps in to defend his attorney, but his language is not exactly court-friendly.
She just told your stupid ass.
Mr. Haywood.
No, you didn't. Bond revoked. We're done.
With his bond revoked, Haywood will be staying in jail until his case is resolved.
Mr. Judge
Bond
Simpson,
revoked. Bond
I'm unable to
revoked. He will sit. This
Yes, Your
matter
Honor.
is adjourned to September 1st. Bond revoked. I'm done. You go talk to your client. He'll never address that court this way. His bond is revoked. You're still his attorney. Motion denied.
Thank you.
That's September 1st, Your Honor?
Yeah, can't wait. Thank you.
2 weeks later, all charges against Haywood in this case were dismissed by the prosecution. Thanks for being a fan of